going to take some numericals over this. It's clear? In this chapter, numericals over the converting galvanometer into ammeter and converting galvanometer into voltmeter is asked. So you see some numericals. Now see here, this is a NCERT problem that I am going to take. Now see here, a galvanometer has a resistance of, in NCERT book you will get question number 4.28. It's clear. The numbering in the NCERT is like this. It's clear. In NCERT book numbering is like this. So 4.28. A galvanometer has a resistance of 15 ohm, that is G equals to 15 ohm. And the meter shows full scale deflection for a current of 4 milliampere. This galvanometer is showing full scale deflection for 4 milliampere. Means what will be the Ig? As we know that Ig is full scale deflection current for which galvanometer is showing full deflection. It can be written in ammeter as 4/1000 ammeter. How will you convert the meter means galvanometer into an ammeter of range 0 to 6 ampere? It is clear. You have to convert it into a range of 0 to 6 ampere, means the I is equal to 6 ampere. Now see here. So you already know that how will you convert galvanometer into ammeter, but we will write that thing here. That galvanometer can be converted into ammeter by connecting a shunt of this value in the parallel of galvanometer. A shunt of this value in the parallel of galvanometer. So first we will find out that value of shunt. It's clear. So we will see here, I am writing here, galvanometer, G means galvanometer, can be converted into ammeter of given range by connecting a shunt S in parallel of galvanometer. In parallel of galvanometer. It is clear. Now what is the formula? So that you know, since Ig into G equals to I minus Ig into S, you have to determine the value of S. So what will be S? Ig into G upon I minus Ig. I minus Ig, so where is calculator? You can see here Ig is, it is 4/1000, that is 0.004 ampere. So 0.004 into G is how much? It is equal to 15 divided by I minus Ig, that is 6 minus 0.004. So you convert it. 6 minus 0.004. It will come out 0.004 into 15 upon 5.996. Now you calculate. This comes out 0.01000. It's clear. This ohm, that is 0.01 ohm. So S equals to this. And what is S here? Already you have stated here. Shunt S. It's clear. Sometimes it is also asked to draw the diagram, so that also you can draw. It's clear. So this is the NCERT problem, and NCERT problems are very important from your board examination, because now they have been included in your course, and in board examination questions will directly come from NCERT problems as it is, without any change. It's clear. So you see here the other question. Now you take one more question here. This is 4.27. In NCERT it is 4.27. A galvanometer coil has a resistance of 12 ohm, means G equals to 12 ohm. Galvanometer coil means this is the resistance of galvanometer. And the meter shows full scale deflection for a current of 3 milliampere. Ig is given 3 milliampere. How will you use 3 milliampere? Means it is 3 upon 1000 ampere, that is equals to 0.003 ampere. This. How will you convert the meter into voltmeter of range 0 to 18 volt? 0 to 18 volt means V equals to 18 volt. So we know that. How will you convert? Galvanometer can be converted into voltmeter of this range by connecting a very high resistance. In its series, by connecting a very high resistance R in its series. You must mention it is R. By connecting a very high resistance R in its series. So see here, since R equals to V upon Ig minus G, you substitute what is V here, 18, Ig 0.003 minus G is 12, you simplify. This is 18, 30, you increase upon 3 minus 12, that is equals to 6000 minus 12. So it is equals to 5988 ohm. It's clear. This will be the value of R. This. It's clear. Now you take one more question here. This question has been asked in ISC 2008. Now see here, a galvanometer with a coil of resistance 100 ohm. It is ISC 2008. It has been asked in 2008. A galvanometer with a coil of resistance G equals to 100 ohm and having 100 divisions. There are how many divisions? 100 divisions. Has a current sensitivity of 25 microampere per division. means one division deflection is shown by how much current? 25 microampere. One division deflection is shown by how much current? It is shown by 25 microampere. Therefore, full scale deflection current means how much current will show the deflection of 100 divisions. So one division by this much current, so 100 division, 25 microampere into 100, that is equals to 2500 into 10 power minus 6, that is 2.5 into 10 power minus 3 ampere. This is the Ig, this is the value of Ig. How will you convert it into an emitter of range 0 to 5 ampere? Means 0 to 5 ampere you have to change, so I equals to 5 ampere. How will you convert? Now it is very simple. You have to find the value of S, so that you can do. It's clear? So now I hope that you will be able to do these questions, numericals. I will do some more numericals in the next lecture. So thank you.